To remove the air filter housing, there's 4 bolts, 2 that hold the housing to a bracket and 2 that hold the housing to the carburetor. The 2 side sockets you will need will be a 5/16 and a 9/16. You don't need to remove the blower housing, but it just makes it a lot easier if you do. Just held on by 3 bolts. Once the base of the carburetor is off, it should look something like this. Again, on reassembly, make sure the float moves freely up and down and the needle inside of there sits properly. To pull the main jets out on this carburetor, use a good quality, small, flat bladed screwdriver and just gently pry without damaging the plastic and the rubber O-ring right here, and it'll pop right up. Once you pull the main jet out, it will look something like this. This piece here goes over there and presses all the way down. It's a little bit difficult to pull this out and pull this apart, but don't give up. Just keep plugging away. Alrighty guys, so once the carburetor is off the lawnmower and disassembled, it should look something like this. Here's the main part of the carburetor. The jets, the O-rings for the jets, this O-ring and plastic piece goes towards the engine. This goes towards the air filter housing, the air float, and the needle. When it's all apart and cleaned, make sure the needle moves freely up and down in its correct location. With these jets on here, you can use a piece of wire to clean these out and a good soaking cap cleaner. A lot of times it's just easier to replace these for like $17. I sometimes have luck by soaking these in my chemical dip tank for 24 hours. And that's about it. I'll show you it once it's all assembled. Alrighty, the carburetor is rebuilt and reinstalled into the lawnmower. Usually on most customer mowers, I will power wash the mower, wax the deck, clean all the plastics. However, this particular mower belongs to a gentleman who buys and sells mowers and has me service them and get non-running mowers, such as this one, running again. Now I'm going to try to start it with me holding my cell phone, so I will try to do my best here. It might take a couple of pulls.